little learners! Today we are going to learn some very special sight words that will help you become amazing readers who can read faster and better every day. Sight words are very special words that we see again and again in all our books and stories. They are important because we learn to recognize them quickly.
This special word is I. We use the word I when we are talking about ourselves.
It is a very important word. Let's say it slowly together.
I am Lily and I love to learn new things every day in our classroom. I am Ethan and I enjoy reading fun books. We use I to tell others about ourselves. I see a big red apple and I want to eat it. I see a bouncy ball and I want to play with it.
This special word is you. We use it when we talk to someone else. Say it with me.
You. You are my friend Lily and you make learning fun. You are a great friend too. We use you when we talk to others.
You can read this word and you can learn new things every day.
You.
You are doing a wonderful job today.
Thank you.
This special word is we. It means more than one person together. Let's say it together.
We.
We is a word used to talk about yourself together with at least one other person, like my friend and I or my family and I.
We are learning together and we are having fun. We help each other and we become better readers every day.
This special word is see. It means to look at something. Say it with me.
See.
I see a big book on the table.
I see colorful pictures inside. Let's say see again.
See. This special word is the. We use it before naming something. Say it with me.
The.
The book is on the table. The chair is next to it. Let's say the again. The. Great job. This special word is and. It helps us join words together. Say it with me.
And.
I have a pencil and a notebook.
I like apples and bananas.
Let's say and again.
And.
I, you, we, see, and.
And.
Let's say them again and again.
I see the word I and thee. I can read them easily. And is, and my, and to. These are sight words, me and you. Sight words, they are super quick to know. Sight words, help our reading grow and grow. We don't have to sound them out, just read them fast without a doubt. I, the, and, is, my, to. Sight words help us read and go. Look and like, said and see. You and me and we and be. A and at, up, down, go. These sight words we all should know. Sight words, they are super quick to know. Sight words, help our reading grow and grow. Little words we see each day in every book we read and play. I, the, and, is, my, to. Sight words make our stories flow.
Practice at home. I, you, we, see, the, and. This will help you read faster.
I, you, see, and.
Great job. Let's say them one last time. I, we, see,
And.
bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Repeat the lesson at home. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel to learn more.